guys have 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 parcels from Amazon. Now we will unbox one by one. First of all, we will pick this one, the small box. We will cut it down from here.
These all parcels are children's.
These all 3 parcels are for children. These are games, toys, and all the things we will find here. Here is the parcel which is covered with this poly butter, and oh my god, this is Nerf. This is a gun.
Not a Nerf.
This is a rocket bubble gun. This is wonderful place. 25 holes with bubble water, environmental, battery operator, colorful bubble. We will unbox this one from here and we will check this if this is working or not. What are the things? This is the bottle. Inside this, one thing is look like this is the color. Oh,
not a color. This is a pouch, liquid pouch.
Liquid pouch. One. This is a tray. This is the gun.
Not a battery inject करनी पड़ेगी.
करे सो.
माँ ताऊ लो मालो बीच में पास करो ला मुंडन.
The gun will be operated with battery. Battery we will put here. Here is the place for 1, 2 and 3 batteries. There will be 3 batteries. We will put these batteries here and pack this here. After this will work. Okay. We will keep this aside. We will check this later. Okay. Now we will unbox the second one, which is here. Just we will cut from here and we will cut the second cut we will put here. Oh, let's see. It look like it is an electric item. So we will manage this carefully. Oh, this is an LCD writing tablet. Bester 10 in multicolor. Okay, home, office, school, say goodbye to paper. So this is a LCD writing tablet. We will unbox it. We will uncover this and we will bring out the item. Here is only one thing, which is the tablet. Oh, this look like something is. Oh, color is shown on the. Some dots are shown in on the screen, so it is not completely clear. But we need a pencil. Oh, it is here. Oh, we got a pencil here along with this. Now we will write it. Is it? No, it is not working. Oh, it is off. Erase lock button, slide switch off. We will click on this. Oh, it is fine now. The doors were shown because it was not unlocked for eraser. Now it can be used for painting, writing and all the things. We can use it here. We will draw a plant here. Oh, it is very nice. Very useful thing is here. Oh, we can find it. Yeah, okay, very good. It is working with some color. Now we will draw plant. Yeah. Bye. This is a box from Amazon. It is huge box. Might be something. We will uncover it from here. We will see how it is opening. Oh, it is opening like this. This is opening like this. Oh, something is here. What's it inside? Oh, it's a nerve. Oh my god. It's a big, huge. Oh, what is this? It is a nerve.
कैमरा मुझे दिख ही नहीं है फुर के है पल्ला नहीं हाँ बस बस ओके काम
ये राजी पहले
ए चावल दी जिसे मंगा रहा कोई है दादागिरी कर मेल दे केक का ये कौन सा ले इन गलवा दे पर माउंट गलवा दे दो एक अल्फुला के दे दो एक
we will put these in these place and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 we will load this and load this
घूम जाए लिया